I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Audi A3 cabin air filter. First, gather your tools, including a T20 Torx driver and a new cabin air filter. Make sure your car is parked on a level surface with the engine off for safety. This simple maintenance task improves air quality inside your vehicle and is easy to do yourself, saving you money on dealership service fees. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's access the filter. Open your glove box and remove everything inside. Look underneath the glove box for the lower panel. You will find two T20 Torx screws holding this panel in place. Carefully unscrew these two fasteners. Once the screws are out, gently pull down the panel. This action will reveal the cabin air filter housing, making it accessible for replacement. Take your time with this step. With the housing exposed, you can now replace the filter. Unclip the cover of the filter housing. Carefully slide out the old cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the arrow indicating the airflow direction on the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation. Now, take your new filter and insert it, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper air circulation. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully push the lower panel back into place and secure it with the two T20 Torx screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's snug and secure. Close your glove box, and then start your car to test the air conditioning and fan settings. You should immediately notice an improvement in your cabin's air quality. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your fresh, clean air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.